What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. I just wanted to give you a quick update from last week. I just want to let you know what we have bought. There was a lot of specials this week, and I will tell you why I'm all in. I'm actually all in this business big time, and you guys see a lot of things I have in the back. I've been now for, I don't know, I think a year. Everything that I've been doing it for a long time, but I get back into it to encourage some people to start doing the business and everything. So I start with them to show them everything. I'm all in my private label. I'm all in my retail online arbitrage, and also a little bit of crypto. I'm not that much good, but I'm there. Okay, so I just want to let you know what we have done so far. What have you done this week? And also, there's a lot of specials happening up earlier than we thought. Usually, we thought it's going to be around, end of November, beginning of December, some specials, or Black Friday and Cyber Monday, in November 25th, something like that. That's where we're expecting to have a lot of deals. But now the stores are doing a lot of deals before that time. You see now Walmart in the States and also Best Buy, they're actually doing earlier Black Friday in the the first week of November, or the beginning of November. So I want to show you what we have done. If you see here, I'm all full, and I'll show you from last week when we had the video what we have inside. Also, I bought a lot of things. Toys R Us had a lot of special. So let me show you what's up here. All this stuff here, guys. I also have some here, which is I'm gonna show you later on. But this is a very good deals that we bought. Me, not do?
Yeah.
Yes. Me and the girls today, Sunday, we just we placed a lot of orders, and we just want to pick them up. And I think they're going to be very cool. I'll tell you exactly what I bought. Some of them with big things that I think you should go ahead and buy them if you were in Canada, for sure. And also Legos, they had double the points. You guys know in my group, I told you about the double the points. So I also have a lot of Disney stuff that I bought. Disney, I mean, look, there's no space in the car. Look at it. There's only space for the girls. Okay, and let me show you. Say hello.
Hi.
Yay. Okay, and also we have here, so there's only one space for both of them, and that's it. So let me go ahead, and I'm gonna take all this one down, but for now I'll show you, because I have a lot of them are double. I bought a lot of quantity, and if you see, I'm always full. These, all the dolls that we had last week that they were here, I put them in boxes because they'll be ready to ship. And also I put a lot of stuff there, so I'm still full, guys, as you know, and we're still not even in December yet. So I am really well equipped, I believe. But let me show you the things what I'm looking at and what the things I buy. So, guys, Minecraft. This is our bait advent calendar. Minecraft is going to be very special. Minecraft has a lot of good followers. I paid full price for it. But if you see anything with Christmas theme, is going to do very well, not only for Christmas, even after for collectible is going to be really great. At the same time, this one I paid Spirit. If you buy Spirit is a really big show in Netflix and everything. You're going to do really good with it. This one was half off, from 120 to 57 bucks, something like that. You can make at least 40 bucks each one of them. I bought a lot of these. If you look at the truck there, let me just show you very quickly. See, I bought a lot of them because big discounts. I have here like around 10 plus here, whatever I have in here. At the same time, these ones were very good special. These ones, they don't come in special that often, so when they don't come, I just buy them. They were 13 bucks, were half off. You'll make another 10-13 bucks, which is double up your money, which is really great, which is I'm very happy about. Also Beyblade, guys. I bought some Beyblades. They had them for half off. I didn't go crazy on them, but I bought some, which is really good. Also, these, they were half off. I think I'll make 10 bucks. Now, just you need to understand, I'm going to tell you exactly, you need to understand one thing. When you do specials from Toys R Us, and there's a special now is coming up, everyone half off, the best specials of the season or discounts of the season, don't expect to make a lot of money, because the competition is going to be a lot. All other resellers are going to be out there. They're going to pitch the same kind of deals. So I want to make sure that when you do stuff like that, you actually save them. Like me, I have a lot of products now. I'm gonna ship these, and these I'm not gonna ship them now. I'm gonna wait until everyone sells out. All the newbies are gonna go there. They're gonna sell at $5 profit instead of maximizing the profit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and ship them so I can maximize my profit. That's why it's very important to have inventory from before from before. So whatever I buy last month will sell this month. What I buy this month will sell next month. That's why just starting is the hardest thing. To be able to build the inventory to get you to that point, it's really hard, but it's very possible. I have done it front of you. We went from a small storage unit to now a big storage unit that has really a lot of quantities. So anyways, let's go ahead and show you a few things that you can also buy and benefit. Here, we're making another shipment. 1, 2, 3, but it's not enough, so I'm gonna go more on them. Okay, I will tell you this, guys. If you find these trains, I think you should go ahead and buy them. It's not financial advice, as you know, guys, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. I have some of them here, if you see, and I shipped also some to Amazon, but these are retired sets. So when something retires, instead of just waiting on the website and trying to get them, you can go ahead and purchase them from the store. So I go to Lego stores, I find them. I went to Walmart, I found some, I bought them. I went to Toys R Us also, and I bought them. So this is going to be very good. Toy Story is a big show. At the same time, there's a train. Anything with train, for some reason, they do very well. So I really highly recommend you go ahead and buy that. And when I bought these, actually, they gave us these freebies. I don't know how much they're worth or nothing. I'm not sure. This one also was half off. So I'm expecting to make 20 bucks. Was 50, I think was 60 bucks. I paid 30 bucks. I'm expecting to make around 10 to 15 bucks profit. These ones, actually, they were on a special, half off. You make 10 bucks, 8 to 10 bucks. I have done a lot of them. I sold a lot of them so far because I get the same special from Walmart before, which is really great. At the same time, I went and I bought more of these. I found a lot of these. These in the store by themselves, they sell for $29.99 regular price, but in Walmart, if you are in Canada or even the States, by the way, the same kind of specials, they overlap. I bought 9 bucks. So I bought like, I think 25 of them before, like last month. And now I went to another Walmart, they had the special on them. So I bought them all. I sold everything else. Everything else that I had, I sold it all out, which is really great. Another deal I think you should guys get into, which is something like universal currency I call Legos. This Lego is really great. This one is retired. It's frozen. It's 9 bucks. Even now you make around 10 bucks from it, which is really great deal. I have a big shelf there in the back full of them, because as soon as I found them, I found out when they retire, and I bought all of them, which is great. If you see here, I also have double of these. I had a lot of them. I have some, I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're there. See there? I have a lot of them, but now not all the stores are going to have the specials at the same time. So for example, I bought the same thing last month. In some few Walmarts, they had them, and they were in special for 30 bucks. Bought them. I'll go to another Walmart, they don't have them. Now, I went to again to the same Walmart, another Walmart, they have them in special. So usually, not all the specials are going to come at the same time. One store can have them before the other, but you just need to make sure you pick them up. The other thing I really recommend you guys look into, this brand, Huxbug. It's really good. It's all about science and all the stuff. They really do very well. And I bought a lot. I mean, I bought only 2 of them. They didn't have much. They go for a lot. This is like 10 bucks or 15 bucks a bait. And they go for 55 bucks, which is really great deal. Wrestlers, you know my opinion about wrestlers. This is the specials that are actually going on Toys R Us. I really recommend look into them. You make 5 bucks. As I told you, if something like this special that you find them on the stores, or a special like general special that everyone has, is going to be difficult. Very difficult for you to go ahead and make the big bucks. Like the other stuff that I bought, they were very selective. Not everyone can find them. I can double up my money very easily. But I have something like that, it's going to be hard for me because it's open to the public. Everyone be able to go ahead and find this kind of deals. Unlike if I go ahead and find a special deal or hidden clearance or the last stock of Walmart, they have them, I go buy them, is different because it will be less competition. But stuff like that is going to be competitive. And also, the other thing, you need to pay attention. For example, these Connect. Why I bought a lot of them? These I'm not going to make a big bucks. They're half off. They're half off. I paid $11.50 or whatever, half off. Just guys, you can go to Toys R Us and find them right now. I'll make 5 bucks right now profit on these. 5 to 6 bucks. I'm okay with it, but I bought a lot of them, like maybe 30, 50 of them. I will show you. Look, like here, like there. I have a lot of them, a lot. So when that's been said, let me get back to the subject. If I get something like that, don't forget, this is a very popular game. This one, Monopoly, they're really good. So what happens with this kind of games, you actually what's going to happen is Amazon, this is one of the main brands or the main flagship products that not Amazon has to carry regardless of what happens. So even if now Amazon run out of stock and comes back at a full price, if you make $5, that's it. You don't expect much. So that's why usually I go with a lot of products that Amazon not on them, because if Amazon not on them, that means I'm gonna make way bigger profits, and that's where I want to be at. But hey, listen, you're not going to be able to find all these double all the time, but you'll be able to be diversify things that gets you double, let's say 50 to 100% ROI, the things that give you maybe to 30% ROI. Just go ahead and have mix of products, so you'll be able to have different sales velocity or higher sales velocity or an average sales velocity where you can sell consistently 15, 20, 30 products a day. And that's like for us now, we're averaging around 30 to 35 units a day. That's what we're averaging every day. So that's it. And also, let me get back to you and tell you what I'm all in. I'm all in because everything that I get from this business, I'm reinvested it back in. Everything. Like last 2 months, I sold a lot of products. All the profits that I have, what I did, I poured them back into the business. I didn't take any profit at all. So that's why I filled up everything. Why? Because I got into it. I just reinvest. And I think really, if you're in a tight budget, we have a budget, let's say 5,000, I think you should set it. Hopefully have another income. Like for example, for me, private label pays for all my living expenses. So I'm okay with it if I just leave this business, this retail arbitrage, just to build itself more and more. And that's why you see a lot of things we build, a lot of products we have. Why? Because everything that I have, I put it back in until we get where we need it. So that's just a tip I want to tell you. And I think really you should do that this Christmas or this Q4 or the holiday season. Is going to be a lot of demand. A lot of people are going to be scared to go to shop in the malls because the media putting a lot of fear in them. So that means a lot of people are going to buy online. So I think online is still going to be booming. I just now went to Legos to pick up all these toys. And there's some people there that were double masked. They were scared to be close to other people. I'm not telling you not to be afraid, but I think people are going to be very careful and they're going to buy a lot of things online. So demand is going to be there. Anyways, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope last week you told me, guys, you want videos like this. So I want to share with you what I bought this week. And now all what I need to do for next week, I don't think I'm going to source. All I'm going to do, I'm going to ship. I have still a lot of limits. I have, I think, 1,800 or 2,000 units I can ship. So I'm going to ship everything that I can. And then I'm going to relax a bit. And hopefully I'm going to start purchasing again in November, mid-November, something like that. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, if you have any question, leave it in the bottom, below, and hit the like button if you can help me a little bit with the like button. And other than that, please, if you have any question, leave it below and I will answer. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.